Hi all, welcome to Emirates Graphic Academy. My name is Valerio and I will be talking about everything you need to know about mobile apps. The reason why you should follow me every Sunday and not the other guys is because I will be telling you how you can improve marketing through your mobile apps, how you can add more users onto mobile apps, how to monetize through your mobile apps. So literally all you need to know. My video will come out every 2 Sundays.
Hey everybody, and welcome to Emirates Graphic Academy. I will be the host of Marketing Mondays, where I give you everything you need to know about marketing theory, as well as some practical advice on how you can get your business out there and get all the clients to start rolling in every day. You can catch my segments on Mondays every other week.
Welcome to Emirates Graphic Academy. My name is Sacha Christe, and I'll be talking about sales and entrepreneurship every other week on Tuesday. In other words, what I will be talking about is how to grow your business, how to beat your competitors in this very competitive market, and how to take your company to a new level.
Hi guys, this is Andreea from Emirates Graphic Academy. I'm sorry for giggling, it's just that I have very amazing and annoying colleagues. You will be seeing my videos regarding websites and all to do with websites every other Wednesday. Ciao.
Hey, hi all, welcome to Emirates Graphic Academy. Might you score that?
Hi guys, this is Andreea from Emirates Graphic Academy. I just want to do something special.
Hey everybody, and welcome to...
How to beat your competitive in this... How to beat your competitive.
Please subscribe at the bottom below.
If you want to get all our weekly updates.
And thank you.